Amazon favorites. Now that it's summer and we're opening up the windows and opening and closing doors, we're getting so many bugs flying in our house. These work so well and they're so cheap. All you have to do is peel off the backing, stick it in the corner of a window, and you can even put your blinds down and you will never know that they're there.
Summer must-have. This beach blanket is made of durable nylon and available in several sizes. We have the 7x7, which is suitable for up to 3 people. The included stakes help to keep it securely to the ground and does not budge. It also has 4 corner pockets that can be used for storage or sand anchors. It is water resistant and sandproof. The sand just brushes right off with minimal effort. I love that no matter how you fold it up, it always fits back into the attached pouch. Keep this in your car so that it's always handy for those beach, park, festival trips, hiking, and more. Amazon kitchen hack. Doing a little unboxing to put this sliding tray to the test. If you have heavy appliances on your countertop like coffee machines, stand mixers, and air fryers, this could be a huge help. So far, I absolutely love it. It has small rolling wheels to easily slide it back and forth as needed. I bought 2 for my coffee machine and stand mixer. So what do you think? Is this something that you could use in your kitchen?
I hate touching the trash, but this one has its own trash compactor system. Just grab the handle and push down. It also comes with a deodorizer inside the lid.
Found the best cooler you can buy. It fits 20 pounds of ice, 48 cans, 12 bottles, or 50 slim packs. It has a built-in tank that you can mix drinks in and a tap on the outside to dispense it. It also comes with a dry rack to keep snacks cool, and the all-terrain wheels makes it perfect for taking anywhere, plus the foam top doubles as a seat.
This is the perfect item for this summer. They're bottle chiller sticks that come in a set of 3. It also comes with a bottle opener in case you don't have one. You throw these sticks into the freezer to chill for as little as 45 minutes. Then take them out, take a small sip of your drink to make room, and toss in the chiller. You can easily drink or pour straight from the bottle even with the chiller still inside of it.
Amazon favorites for your keys. Never lose your keys again with this Key Smart. Download the app and tap the button to locate your missing keys. You can also push the button on the Key Smart to play a chime on your phone if you ever misplace your phone. Next is this small pen. It's super convenient and I love using my own pen to sign my receipts. And last is this no-touch door opener that's perfect for opening doors without touching the handles. Amazon favorites for the home, starting with this simple wall shelf. I've had this for over a year now and I still love how it elevates my bathroom walls. Next is my laundry basket. It's such a great size and I love the woven look. And last is my favorite kitchen trash can I've had for over 2 years now. I got rid of my fancy electronic trash cans because they were always breaking down and this one is still going strong.
You want to see magic happen? Let me show you. This is a Wrinkle release by Donnie.
Okay, we had to try this one out for ourselves. You spray this wrinkle releaser on any wrinkled fabric and then just tug on it. The wrinkles really did disappear immediately. We waited for it to dry just to be sure, and here are the final results. I can confirm it's truly magical.
Life hack. Use fruit slicer to make potato wedges.
Products influencers promote that are complete garbage. Part 4. This is the weighted hula hoop that went viral all over TikTok. These little nodules are what goes around your waist. There's one singular ball sack that hangs from it, and this is the weight that spins around and around, and it makes this fucking loud ass noise as it's spinning. For size reference, no other pieces that you can attach to make it any bigger. This is all we got. Meanwhile, all these fucking skinny people on your For You page are just like, I'm getting internal organ damage just watching you do that. Can we talk about the size of the girl in the box? What the fuck does she need this for? Why do people promote this shit?